At some point of our life, we think loving a person is everything. But what if you give 100% to your love and someday your love is gone due to some reasons? But if you give 100% to build up your career rather than only focusing on love, then you can achieve a lot in your life. Because love can wait for you, but career won't. If it's gone, then you won't get it back. Time will not come back. Love will not feed you when you will be hungry, but career will. Love can betray you at any point of your life, but career won't. Love can give you temporary happiness, but career will keep you permanently happy. Career can give you name, fame, respect, money, but love won't. If now you won't focus on your career, then the so-called love of your life will also be not there. First, focus on making your career. Love will automatically come to you. If you want to give priority to love only, then love to build up your career and give priority to that.